Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, we will show how to compose Agentic tool calling pipelines with MCP servers using AI Builder. As you can see, we are in the design studio of AI Builder, wherein you can drag and drop nodes to build your pipeline. So let's get started. First, we will add a UI node called the chat interface tool. So this node helps us to visualize the tool queries or the user queries along with the retrieved responses. Next, let's select an LLM, for example, GPT-4o mini tool. So this LLM is enabled with tool calling functionalities. Then we will move on to select an MCP-based server, for example, the MCP weather forecast. So these are the three main necessary nodes to start forming our pipeline. So let's start connecting them. So initially, the chat interface tool sends the user queries to the LLM. Next, or meanwhile, the MCP server sends its function schema to the LLM. So once these matching connections are made, next the LLM sends a tool request to the MCP server. When the tool call succeeds, the augmented results from the MCP server are then sent back to the LLM. So the LLM processes this real-time information and returns the response to the user, which is then displayed in the UI. So these are the 5 main important connections that we would have to make to enable the agent tool calling functionality in AI Builder. So let's save this pipeline and try to have a live demo of how the real-time results would then look like. So let's deploy it on the pre-prod AI runner. So we would then have all the nodes that you see here getting transferred as the pipeline pods. So we then start the pipeline by clicking the run button here. And then we will directly navigate to the chat interface tool UI. So this is a simple UI wherein the users can feed in their queries and retrieve the corresponding MCP server-based responses. So for example, let's ask a question. So let's see if the pipeline is able to respond the answers in real time. Yeah, so here we have the answer, and we also have the type of MCP server that is being used to produce this particular answer. So we hope this video helps you leverage AI Builder for building pipelines using MCP servers. So this is just an early version, so please do stay tuned for improvements in upcoming sessions. Thank you.